Fill up once more, we'll drink a toast to comrades far away. No nation on earth can boast of braver hearts than they. And though they sleep in dungeons deep, or flee outlawed and banned, we love them yet, we can't forget the felons of our land. In boyhood's bloom and manhood's pride, foredoomed by alien laws, some on the scaffold proudly died for holy Ireland's cause. And brothers, say, shall we today, unmoved like cowards stand, while traitors shame and foes defame the felons of our land? Some in the convict's dreary cell have found a living tomb, and some unseen, untended fell within the dungeon's gloom. But what care we, although it be trod by a ruffian band? God bless the clay where rest today the felons of our land. Let cowards mock and tyrants frown, ah, little do we care. A felon's cap is the noblest crown an Irish head can wear, and every Gael in Innisfail who scorn the serf's vile brand, from Lee to Boyne would gladly join the felons of our land.